Hello everyone, welcome to episode 5, the French Omelette. We learn few techniques to make exactly how it looks like in the pictures. Trust me, if you like eggs, you're going to love this for sure. And also be patient, you might not get this right for the first time. So let's get started. Now these are all the ingredients that you'll need. Now there's a reason why we've mentioned 3 whole eggs. A perfect French omelette requires 3 whole eggs. Now break 3 eggs into a container. Add 1 or 2 drops of cold water, then add some seasoning to it, and then add less than half a spoon of butter to it. Now whisk it really well. Now before we start cooking, let's just go through 3-stage process that we'll be going through. The first one is scrambling, the second one is spreading. Now if you get all these 3 stages right, then you'll be able to make a perfect French omelette. Now the trick here is, your pan should always be on the low flame. Now put the butter in the pan and let it spread evenly. Now once your pan is a bit hot, then put the egg mixture into the pan and your first process starts, which is scrambling. Now immediately you start scrambling. Now if you observe carefully, the movement of my spatula is circular, and I'm also moving the pan so that the mixture gets spreaded automatically. Now you'll also have to be really fast and consistent in the movement to get the perfect texture. Now comes the second process, which is spreading. Now all you have to do is start spreading the mixture evenly in the pan. Now once that is done, now is the most trickiest part, which is folding. Now you'll have to be very careful, and you can't take too long also. If you want, you can take the pan off the gas and start folding. Your omelette from inside should have a custard-like texture. The taste is going to be very creamy. If you guys like the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If there's any suggestion you have for us, make sure you mention in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.